Okay. I don't know what's happening with my OFA today. I don't know. Okay, anyway, where are we? 73. Okay, let me show you something quickly before. Wait a second. First of all, let me change. Look at the OFA. It does this sometime. Okay. Terrible. Okay, let me just put a stop loss first.
Order pending.
I give too much. 71. Let's just take a quick look. I wanted to show you, but let me just do this first. See where I'm at. I gotta go one more tick down. Okay, that's better. All right. Why is it like this? Okay, I don't know. I'm not so technical like you guys. Look at this, 742 bought and they couldn't keep it up. That's not good for me. I wanted to retest to the 75 and it got to 73.25. So let me show you why. Sometime what I do, I change the 15 minutes to 4 hours. Just to have a quick look at the whole thing. And I expand it. You see? Next two bars are those guys. I don't know how to use this. Yeah, there you go. This area. Those two bars. And the one, let me just show you. I don't want to be stopped out here. This one is the house 75.50. That's why I was hoping for 75. It's too much to ask. Maybe. We'll soon see. So that's my target. 75 was my target, hopefully. And we'll have to wait and see if it wants to get there. Or maybe go down, because this whole area, yeah, again, let me show you. This whole area right here, it's a big consolidation here we had. A lot of money was spent here. And you can see it's not so simple to break this. It's not so simple to break this. So this is expected. I just hope it's not going to be too much for them to hold on. So because if it doesn't, it's just going to go down back here, to this area, to the. Well, that's in the long run. But it could go to 60 again. Okay, that's what I wanted to show you. That's my area, 75. That's my target right now, 75. So I'm going to put 75 here.
Order pending.
Yeah, hopefully Otherwise, it's going to be only 3 points. Yeah. Let's go back to 15 minutes. This trade I took at 6:30. I'm going to show you something. Come on. Let me show you something. Okay, you see the night session. It's just going up. This is really strong. Just going up. I do that. Sometimes I just expand. Not sometimes. A lot of times I expand the screen all across so I can see. You get a feeling. You get a good feeling because when it's like that, you don't really get to see the whole picture. But when you look at this like that, oh, now you can see very clear uptrend. That the trend is up. Very clear. I mean, what more can you ask? It's very clear. So I entered this trade at 6:30. Let me show you. Right after I woke up a little bit. 6:30. Yeah, here, somewhere here. Right here is where I entered. It would be better here, but that was last night. That was like 8 o'clock. Yeah. Anyway, 6:30, right here I entered. So hopefully, I'm hoping that it should do the same pattern. You see, going up, a little bit of a retrace and continuing up. Again, we got to, not seeing this area. Going up, a little bit of a retrace, and hopefully now continuing the uptrend up to 75. That's what I'm hoping. In the meantime, I have no idea what's wrong with my OFA. That's not good. Anyway, so I'm going to pause it here. So this was the 9:30 probably. They came in, you see, a little bit earlier. A lot of buyers. See, we see more buyers right now. More buyers. Now this 742 is not the same as this one. You see, now it's going up. See, that's the usual pattern. That's a different 742. That belongs to this bar. Okay. I'll pause it. I'll try to fix my OFA, and I'll come back later if nothing out of the ordinary happens. Okay. Okay. I'm sorry. I got filled while I was fixing this. I had to reload some data. That's what the error I was getting. So I got filled. I wanted to show you, but you see, it got to 75, filled me, and got out. And that's it. Retraced a bit. But let me show you something. Sorry about that. Okay, maybe this. Okay, this was my entry right here, 6:30 with 10, and this was my exit. Let me just bring it down a bit. I got filled before I finished. Right here, 10, 75, and look what happens now. Exhaustion at the 75, very obvious, very obvious. Sellers are coming at the 75, you see? Sellers are coming. Buyers too. Well, we'll see what's going to happen. Too bad. Sorry. I had to fix my OFA. I cannot work like this. All right. But I'm not going to short this just yet. This is not convincing enough. Market is still very strong, and there's a very good chance we'll be testing. Let's see, the next one over is 76.75. This one was 75.50. That's why I got out at 75. And this is 76. They're pretty much close to each other, but that's not important. What's important is this one. Am I recording this? I don't know what I'm doing. The next one in line is this high, which is the high of the highest, I think. 80.25. 80.25. Yeah. No, so the next one is not. No, it's not. 750. This bar. Yeah, this bar. And this bar 76.75. Okay, that's yeah. Basically, this is the first one. So that's why I'm not shorting this, because we could actually retest this one, and it's not much far away from it. It's just a point or so. So I'm not gonna try. Not gonna try. I need more proof to show this. This is not enough. You see? You see how many buyers? That's why I'm not shorting this. Look how many buyers. 1,300. 500 here, 570, 1,300. It's going to be a little fight here. Okay, that's it for this one.